in this part, this is now the lowest belt, of which you got this activity of volcanic along the rift. The rift begins from Malawi and it ends in Israel. In Lake Malawi, we got Hotsprings and glaciers, and then come to Tanzania, we got Lonyokuru, like Natron, Lonyelangai. Then we come to Kenya, there is a main server of this thing is like a tunnel or an underground tunnel, of which it goes on, it shoots. So in Kenya, as I've told you, the main server is Mount Longonot, and there is a branch which goes on from it like Magadi, of which you got some soda ash there. And then on that lineage, we come to Nakuru County, of which you get the physical features at a place called Helsinki. In Helsinki in Naivasha, we got some physical features of the springs and glaciers. And then we come to, still in Nakuru, there is Olkaria, Kariandusi, where we got some product of the diatomites, the chalk product and whatever. So still in Nakuru County, there is Menengai crater. On that lineage, 40 kilometers from here, Menengai crater. 40 kilometers from here is Lake Bogoria. Bogoria is the same channel up to Kokwa Island. We are now on the northern part of which you got this activity being done here. And then it extends to the top of those hills, Korose, a place called Silale. There's a place called Paka, of which even the GDC, Geothermal, are drilling the kinetic power. Then from there it goes underground and it forms Aspar River in eastern Turkana County, a place called Kapedo. It forms Aspar River. Then on that lineage, it goes to southern part of Lake Turkana, a place called Kalakol, southern part of Lake Turkana, Elias Spring. And then it extends from there, it goes to Ethiopia. There is a place in Ethiopia called Afar. In Afar, it's not voky like this, but it is flemish like a gas. You see? Then underground there, it goes and ends in a place called Jordan in Israel. There is a Dead Sea, of which we got some physical features. So here, Kokwa Island, we cultivate nothing. The land is rocky. Nothing.